Hi, I'm Tassie.
And I'm Zach, and we're here from the Healthy Kids Coalition to talk with you about the benefits of eating fruits and vegetables. A few times during this video, you'll see this, which means pause the video so that you can think about or talk to your friends about something that we've just learned. So Tassie, I know there are 3 important things about eating healthy vegetables and fruits that I'm supposed to have remembered today, but I think I forgot them.
Let me refresh your memory, Zach. All right. So the first thing is that healthy fruits and vegetables are good for your brain and your body.
Oh, okay. That's not as bad as I thought it would be. Brain and body, I can remember that.
Yeah.
Got it. All right, what's the next one?
The second thing is that fruits and vegetables are full of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. But don't worry, you don't have to remember phytonutrients. You just have to remember them as fix-it workers.
Oh, fix-it workers.
Those ones we always talk about.
Okay.
They go inside and they fix things that wear out because you work hard and play hard, and they even help keep you from getting sick.
That's awesome. Okay, fix-it workers. I can definitely remember that. All right, what's the third thing?
The third thing is that to get all the different kinds of fix-it workers, to fix all your different parts, you need to eat a whole rainbow of fruits and vegetables.
Rainbow. Okay. So all the different colors of the rainbow. I can definitely remember that.
So what healthy fruit or vegetable are we going to talk about today, Zach?
Well, I'll give you a little hint. We're wearing shirts that are the same color as the fruit or vegetable that we're going to be tasting today.
Got it.
Okay?
So, did everyone figure out that we're wearing green today? Can you think of any fruits or vegetables that are green?
Go ahead and pause the video here and see how many you can think of.
Did anyone come up with kiwi?
That was a tough one because the skin is kind of brown, but inside it's green. So we're going to be tasting kiwi fruit, these little guys right here.
So let's play a game about kiwi, Zach.
Game? Awesome. All right, what's the game?
This game is called Leaf, Stem, Fruit, Root.
Okay.
It's where we try to guess which part of the plant the kiwis are.
Okay.
You want to play?
Yeah, I do. So we have to guess whether this kiwi is the leaf, the stem, the fruit, or the root of the plant.
You want a little hint?
Yeah, would you?
Okay,
All right.
let's work through it together.
Okay.
All right, so let's watch a kiwi grow.
Okay.
Can you find any leaves on that plant?
Yep, I see the leaves.
Yeah, yep. And how about a stem, some part that holds everything up?
Oh yeah, I see the stem.
And you might not be able to see the roots hiding under the soil, but they're down there.
Okay.
But I bet you can find a kiwi.
Oh, I do see the kiwi now. Okay.
Does that make it easier to maybe guess which part it is?
That does. All right, so let's pause here and see whether you can guess whether it's the fruit, the root, the stem, or the leaf. Okay, I think I know.
Did you guess fruit?
I did. It looks like the kiwi is growing from the stem of the plant.
You're right, Zach. Kiwi is in fact a fruit.
Wow, so could I just grow kiwi in my backyard garden?
You could try by planting one of those little black seeds inside. But it takes about 5 to 9 years.
Oh, that's a long time to wait. I'm getting a little hungry. Is there any other way we could get a kiwi for me?
Yeah, you can probably find them at most supermarkets.
Oh, that's great.
They make a great snack at home or at school.
That's great. I mean, I have a question though. I'm not quite sure how to eat them. Do I have to peel it? Can I eat the seeds?
It is a bit tricky. My favorite way is to just slice it into little wheels. Yeah, and you can just eat the whole thing.
Oh, like the skin and everything?
Yep, I eat it with the skin on, but if you prefer, you can peel it off.
Oh.
It's really up to you. There's no right or wrong way to eat a kiwi.
That's nice. And what about the seeds?
They're really good for you too. Just eat them along with the rest.
You can just eat the seeds?
Absolutely.
Oh, that makes it easy. So do you have your kiwi fruit in front of you? Because here's the fun part. Now's where we get to eat them. So let's take a close look at the kiwi fruit first. What does it look like? Can you see those little seeds that we're talking about?
Go ahead and pick a piece up now. What does it feel like in your fingers?
And now bring it up to your nose and smell it. What does it smell like?
And when you eat it, listen and see if it makes any sound.
And the best part for me is tasting it. See how it tastes. Is it sweet? Is it salty? What does it taste like to you?
You want to know a crazy fact, Zach?
I love crazy facts.
All right. Kiwi is not this fruit's real name.
No?
No. It came from China, where it was originally called a yang tao fruit.
No way.
And its scientific name is delicioso, because it's delicious.
That's awesome. Wow, I didn't know that. I love these facts. So why are kiwi fruit so good for us to eat anyway?
Well, kiwi kiwi are good for us because they contain all kinds of phytonutrients and vitamins. Don't get that look. I know that look. Just remember, those are the fix-it workers.
Oh, the fix-it workers,
Yeah.
right. They're inside there?
They're inside there.
Nice.
There's those easy ones like vitamin C, vitamin K. This one is vitamin E. Haven't
Ooh.
seen that one much yet.
Vitamin E.
And copper.
Cool, I can say that. Copper, vitamin E.
Yeah, those are pretty easy. And here come the tongue twisters.
Uh-oh.
So, kiwi also have lutein and zeaxanthin. Zeaxanthin.
Xanthin. So
Yeah, not so hard.
Do I have to write all this down?
Oh, absolutely not. There's just 3 things you have to remember.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Number 1, kiwi and all those other fruits and vegetables are good for your brain and body.
Oh, yeah, I got that.
Okay. Number 2, they have those fix-it workers that fix stuff that wear out
The
and keep
fix-it
you from getting
workers.
sick.
Love those guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
And number 3, you have to eat a whole rainbow to get all those different fix-it workers.
I remember that now. Okay, so it's definitely easier to remember. Can you remember the 3 things about fruits and vegetables that we just talked about? We'll pause here to see how many you can remember.
Thank you for watching this episode on kiwi fruit.
You know you can watch us over and over again with your friends and family anytime you want.
And the next time you're at the store, consider buying some yummy kiwi fruit to take for your snack at school or to eat at home.
Let us know in the comments below what you thought about eating kiwi fruit today. And if you shared them with some friends at school, what your friends thought about eating kiwi fruit.
And I'm curious to know how many of you have eaten kiwi fruit before. Also, as always, let us know if you have any questions. We'll try to answer them for you.
Until next time, I'm Zach.
And I'm Tassie.
And now you know.